Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by dx. Next, we need to open parentheses. Now, I will put this one go to the right. And we will have about like this. This one minus y cosine s equal to number 1. After we put this one go to the right, so this one you got about positive, this one you got about negative. Later that we divide both sides by sine s. Now we have y and first derivative of dy over dx. So we can use about integrating factor. So I will put about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration of negative cosine s over sine s. This is about integrating factor. The integration of this one, we have negative ln of sine s. So we put the negative go inside about ln. So this one we simplify and you got about sine s to the power of negative number 1. And we put about 1 over sine s like this. That means we need to multiply both sides by 1 over sine s. So this one we have cosine s over sine s square. This one we have 1 over sine s square. And we know that 1 over sine s square we change cosecant of s square. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Now, we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So, we know that first derivative of y, that is about first derivative of u multiplied by v plus first derivative of v multiplied by u. So if we look carefully about this one, this is about first derivative of u multiplied by v plus first derivative of v, that's about first derivative of 1 over sine s multiplied by u. So if we do this integration, you got about uv. So the integration of this one, we have y over sine s. The integration of cosecant of s square, you got about negative cotangent s, and we put about c. Later that we multiply both sides by sine s. We know that cotangent s is about cosine s over sine s. And if we simplify, you got about cosine s in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.